How to use Namecheap. Full guide for beginners. Follow my instructions. In this video, I'll show you how to use Namecheap in 2025, step by step. Whether you're buying your first domain, setting up hosting, or managing DNS, this guide is perfect for beginners. Let's get started. Go to namecheap.com. Open your browser and visit www.namecheap.com. On the homepage, you'll see a search bar where you can check if your desired domain name is available. In the Find Your Domain or search bar, type your desired domain name, example, mynewbrand.com, and hit enter. If it's available, click Add to Cart. If not, Namecheap will suggest alternatives. After selecting the domain, click the cart icon on the top right and choose Checkout. You can choose how many years you want to register the domain. 1 year is default. Namecheap includes free WHOIS privacy protection by default. If you're new, sign up with your email and password. If you already have an account, log in. After purchase, go to Dashboard greater than Domain List. If you also want web hosting, click Hosting in the top menu and choose between shared hosting, WordPress hosting, or VPS, depending on your needs. And that's it. That's how you use Namecheap in 2025, from buying a domain to managing your settings. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.